In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a digital planner. Notion is a versatile workspace where you can organize your wiki, documents, and projects efficiently. So, let's dive in and get started with setting it up for digital planning. First, head over to your web browser and navigate to Notion's official webpage. This is where you can access your workspace or create a new account if you haven't done so yet. Once you're on the site, you'll notice at the top right corner a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will either log you in automatically if your credentials are saved or prompt you to enter your email and password. Logging in brings you to your Notion homepage, which serves as the command center for all your activities in Notion. Now that you're on the Notion homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see your existing pages and projects laid out for easy access. But what we're interested in today is to enhance your setup with a digital planner. To do that, you want to navigate to the marketplace. You can find this by either searching directly or locating it in one of the tabs or menus available on the interface. Clicking on Marketplace brings up an array of templates and tools created by the vast Notion community, which are incredibly useful for expanding the functionality of your workspace. Now, to find exactly what we need, head over to the search bar within the Marketplace. Type in Digital Planner, and you'll be presented with several template options. Browse through them and select the one that best fits your needs. Consider what kind of planner functionality you need, whether it's for daily tasks, weekly scheduling, or monthly planning. Some templates will have specialized features like goal tracking, habit formation, or budget management. So choose wisely based on what will serve you best. Once you've decided, click on your chosen template to view its details, features, and instructions on how it integrates with your current setup. Make sure it aligns with your planning style, and then proceed to add it to your workspace. This step is often as simple as clicking a button to duplicate the template into your own Notion, integrating it easily, and there you have it. Within a few minutes, you've successfully set up Notion as a digital planner. Now, use this newly added planner template to organize your notes, tasks, goals, and beyond. Remember, the beauty of Notion is its flexibility, so feel free to customize your planner to suit your unique needs as you grow and evolve in your planning journey. Happy organizing!